Hi everyone! Well, the summer holidays are almost over and it's nearly time to head off to school. Now, at the end of the school year, we sometimes give our teachers a present or a gift to say, thank you for such a great year, thanks for being a wonderful teacher, and thank you for teaching me so many things. But I had an idea. Why not give your teacher a gift on the first day of school? Something that shows them it's going to be a wonderful year. Maybe you could give your teacher some Sharpie markers or whiteboard markers, because they are always very useful in the classroom and teachers always need them. Maybe you could create a cute little gift pack like the one I've made here. So you'll need a parent to buy some Sharpie markers or maybe some whiteboard markers from the shop. You'll need some stiff paper or card, it doesn't matter what colour, and I used some lined note paper, but you don't have to use this if you don't want to, but I do quite like the look of it. So you will also need some string or maybe some nice ribbon, some texters or pencils to write the words on or to draw some pictures on if you'd like, and a glue stick and some scissors with some little sharp pointy ends. Okay, so I started by writing the phrase, mark my words, it's going to be a great year, on to the lined note paper. Now, the phrase, mark my words, that's a little bit of an unusual saying, isn't it? Mark my words is what people say sometimes when they are certain that something is going to happen. And I'm certain that 2021 is going to be a great year. So, you don't have to write mark my words if you don't want to. You could maybe just write your teacher's name, and then at the bottom it's going to be a great year. So I might do that for this one. Now, I know a lovely teacher whose name's Miss Fox, so I'm going to write Miss Fox. Change to a different colour. It's going to be, I might change colour again, a great year. Now, of course, some of our little school children don't know how to write yet, so you could ask one of your big brothers and sisters or one of your parents to do the writing for you. I didn't do any pictures on mine, but you could draw some pictures as well if you like. Okay, so I've written, Miss Fox, it's going to be a great year. Get my glue stick and put some glue on and stick that onto the piece of coloured card or stiff paper. There we go. And then you'll need a grown-up to help with this, because you need to put some little holes into the card. So definitely need a grown-up to do this, because it's a little bit dangerous with the pointy scissors. There we go, so a couple of little holes in there. And then you'll need to cut off some string or ribbon, make sure it's long enough. There we go. And then you thread it through from the back. Thread it through and thread it through and bring it forward, and then you would put your markers on. 3 works nicely. Tie it up, and there you go. You have a lovely little gift pack with some useful markers for your teacher to use during the year. So you can use your imagination and do any design you like. You don't have to use the note paper. You could just decorate a piece of card and write anything you like on there. But I do think it's nice to put, it's going to be a great year. There you go. So, goodbye for now. Have a great year at school. Mark my words, it is going to be a great year.